Hi everyone, welcome to Mr. Kinman's Music Assembly number 5. For today's warm-up, ideally, you have a ball that you can bounce, but if you don't, you can always clap your hands or make another sound. Instead of bouncing the ball, that's fine too. Now this warm-up is all about finding the pulse or the beat of a song. A lot of the songs that we listen to, the pulse goes 1, 2, 3, 4, and this song is no different. So we're going to use the ball to find some of those different parts of the pulse. So first, let me put the needle on the record. 2, 3, 4. We're going to bounce the ball on number 1 like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Now we're going to do it on 1 and 3. 1, 2, 3. Stop. 1 and 3 again. 1, 3. 1, 3. Stop. Now 2 and 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 and 4 again. 2, 4. Now, we're going to do all 4 beats. You might have to get a bit lower to bounce the ball. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. There you go, a fun little game that you can play with any song that you like and a bouncy ball. Now, I hope you've been practicing Helly, Helly, Shum from last week. So today we're going to do it together. And you can choose, are you just going to do the body percussion beat? Are you going to try and do the beat and sing it at the same time? Are you going to sing with the first group or with the second group? That's up to you. Off we go. Helly, helly, shum ray.
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 Nice job. Our next activity in today's music assembly is going to be a little clapping game. So it's helpful if you have a partner you can learn it with. If you really don't have anyone that can do it right now, then you can always practice with the wall instead. So there are a few simple steps to get started. I'll pretend that you on the other side of my screen are my partner, okay? So first of all, we're going to clap our right hand together. Right, and then clap our own hands. And then left, then our own hands. Then the back of our hands together, front of our hands together, and clap like this. So if I do it with my partner over here, it will go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, clap, back, front, clap. Not too tricky. But the second time through, we have to do each step 2 times, like this. Right, right, left, left, back, front, clap, back, front, clap. Okay? And the third time, do each 3 times. Right, 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 left, 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 back, front, clap, back, front, clap, back, front, clap. And then we'll go all the way up to 4 times, so we do each one 4 times. So I'm going to have a go at doing all of those together. Let's see if I can do it without messing up. Right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, back, right, right, left, left, back, front, clap, back, front. Now 3 times. Right, 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 left, 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 back, front, back, front, back, front. Now 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back, front, 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 clap. Yes, did it. Okay, so that's your challenge. Can you get all the way up to 4 without making a mistake? Give it a go. So for the last bit of our music assembly, we're going to have our sing-along to Shotgun. This time we're going to go all the way to the end. So if you've practiced that first part last time, then you know the tune for all the rest of it too. Ready? Off we go. Homegrown alligator, see you later. Gotta hit the road, gotta hit the road. The sun had changed in the atmosphere, architecture unfamiliar. I could get used to this. Time flies by in the yellow and green. Stick around and you'll see what I mean. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you know where I'll be. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. South of the equator, navigator, gotta hit the road, gotta hit the road. Deep sea diving round the clock, sea floors and mountain tops. I could get used to this. Time flies by in the yellow and green. Stick around and you'll see what I mean. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you know where I'll be. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. We got 2 in the front, 2 in the back, sailing along and we don't look back. Time flies by in the yellow and green. Stick around and you'll see what I mean. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you know where I'll be. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone, someone, someone. Nice job, everybody. Thanks so much for singing along with me. Have fun making music on your own or with your family. Take care, and I'll see you soon.